All right, looks like we are now live. We are live. Thanks again for tuning in to another edition of the pre-market, end of day, all that good stuff. But this is a special one. This is the FOMC PulseScan live, and we're about to kick it off. We're waiting for the decision, which is now imminent. It should be out any moment, and we will have our answer as to what is happening. Let me make sure I have my information on. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but I got my Bloomberg turned on, and we're just moments away. 43 seconds till announcement, folks. And while we're doing that, let me share my screen. All right, we're going to look at some price action as we watch this. All right, so as it stands right now at this second, we have the Dow up 85 points. So we do have green on the screen right now. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And here comes the announcement. All right, they did nothing. The Dow jumped 3 points. Oh, now the Dow's jumped almost 10 points. And now coming back down again. So Fed announces a latest rate decision is nothing. They leave the benchmark rate unchanged, saying that the policy that they're currently implementing is appropriate.
Are we having nothing burgers with lunch today?
We're having nothing burgers for lunch, my friend.
What's up, buddy?
I mean, pretty much what we expected. We didn't really expect a whole lot. The market's right back to drop right back down as to where it was before the announcement. So we're no longer up 100 points. We're up 94 points. Now we're only up 89 points. The NASDAQ 100, though, is up 31 and a quarter at 91.36. And the Russell, however, is down 3.1 points at 1655.80. And Bitcoin is up $320 at 93.80. The euro yen has now turned negative, down looks like nine pips, 92 pips. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, let's see here. What else we got? We got oil. Crude oil is down 37.5 cents right now. So we got that going on. And we got, bear with me, I'm moving all around the place with my cursor. All right, the long bond is up 21.30 almost up a full point at 161.31. Gold is unchanged at 1575.80. Silver is up a penny at 17.47 after falling down to $17.28. Gold took it on the chin down to 1567.90, and then we hit a high of the day of 1579.5. So that's not a lot of movement, really. That's a $13 move, trading range. Not a whole lot there. Nothing to really talk about, folks. It's been a very quiet day. And normally, FOMC days are quiet. All right. Normally, not a lot goes on unless there's some type of a surprise. Or if there was some like big rally leading up to the FOMC that usually starts on a Monday and continues up until Wednesday, right before the announcement comes out. We didn't really get that this time. This year, we didn't get that. Instead, the markets were pretty much calm, and now they're just deciding what they want to do. Didn't have a whole bunch of alerts necessarily coming into today, but nonetheless, we still had them. Like we did have a rally alert for the Russell. And the Russell did try to break out a little bit and It has since, collapsed back down. So what we have now is basically an inside day in the Russell. Like straight up, we're not really doing anything. We're trading within yesterday's bar. To be quite honest, we just don't have a lot going on at the moment. We are inside of yesterday's bar. So we got an inside day going on in the Russell, and it is what it is. Wait a minute. Something just happened. I just heard an alert go off, you guys. Is Wells Fargo doing something? Let's see. Wells Fargo is doing something. Wells Fargo, I think I just got a fill on that rally alert. Let's see. Let me take a look. Yes, indeed. Wells Fargo is on the move, folks. Ticker WFC is on the move. On the move. All right. Let's see what we got here. Bear with me for a second. And I will share my screen with you all. 1 second. Let's find the right thingamabob here. All right. Bam. All right. So this here is my Thinkorswim. This right here is the weekly chart for Wells Fargo. As you can see, Wells Fargo had this big dip. So right now, looking to take advantage of this play. It was a straight up rally alert that we got. Here is the daily chart right here. All right, so we're filling in gaps on the way up. Here is your 1 hour chart right here. And here is the 4 hour chart right here. All right, so this is where we are right now in Wells Fargo. So it looks like the bank sector is trying to get some legs with it. It's trying to rally. It's trying to get some muscle. So I took advantage of that crash alert, and I do not regret taking advantage of said rally alert. That's what they're there for. All right, let's see.
I didn't realize I was back on.
Yep.
I know I should have turned that camera off.
Yeah.
Could have been a lot worse.
Yeah, you all right, man. You all right. Let's see here. So Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin right now is doing very well. GBTC has also popped a bit here. All right. So did you catch that, sir? One with the comment. Kyle, did you catch that? If you did, right on, man. Right on, Kyle. You caught it. Yeah, man. Yeah, we ride these things. That's what we do. That's how we eat.
Yeah, we do.
The markets, all right? Looking at my thing here. Give me just a second. GBT. Let me look at this GBTC again. Let me take a look.
You want me to pull the chart up? I could share my screen.
No, not even necessary. I'm looking at something else. Okay. I'm looking at an algo thing. So nothing you can do for me on that one. Let's see, 1031, 1027. Yep. GBTC is rolling. It's rolling. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. GBTC is on the move, folks. The quotes are up. You can see them. These are real-time quotes, not delayed quotes. The BTTC futures composite index is right here. All right, we're up $300. You can see it right here on the screen. Wells Fargo's down here at the bottom, up 49 cents right now. All right, it's right here at the highs of the session. Now it's at 50 cents. All right, so you
wow, look what Kyle said. He said I caught 80% of that.
Let's give it up for Kyle.
Good,
all right.
Man.
Go
can I show real quick? Because it is an impressive.
Do your thing, man. Do your thing.
Impressive. Can't look. This is. He said he caught 80%. I'm assuming of this. This is today's bar.
It's daily bars, baby. We don't.
What did we say? We said that. I just said that on a video this morning. We caught the daily bar in Bitcoin the other day, like the whole bar.
Yep.
So people have to understand.
Yeah. Because we don't do tick charts here, people. We don't do trick and trend and all that, and we don't do 1 minute charts and 5 minute charts. And no. We do daily. We're going after daily bars and weekly bars. That's how we get down.
That is sick. Good job, Kyle.
Yeah, sick, man. Hey, way to catch that. Way to catch that. There was something else I wanted to say. I can't remember what it was now.
Here's Bitcoin, by the way.
Yeah, pull that up. Look at that sexy chart. Look at that Bitcoin breaking out, doing whatever it wanted to do.
Yeah, man.
Look at that. Is that your daily and weekly or your 1 hour?
This is my normal setup, daily and weekly.
Okay. Look at that. Look at that. You're bullish on all time frames, looking as good as you want to look.
It's insane.
Then I said it's trying to break out top side of that Kumo cloud on the weekly. What did I say? What did I say? Mm-hmm. There you go, right there.
Yeah, we had a rally and crash alert, so that means potential for an hour range breakout, right?
Correct.
Because we didn't hit today, which is yesterday. The day before, we absolutely killed it. Yesterday, you either wrote it. I mean, if you had a really loose stop, you could have wrote it very easily.
Correct.
In fact, I think one of the stop options I offered, you would have continued to ride it.
Yep.
But it didn't come down to our sell yet or up to our trigger yet today. So by the way, if you want to get in on today's Bitcoin trade, look no further than our YouTube channel, because I'm doing it live on YouTube this week. I'm doing them all live. So
yeah, you're doing a good job on that, brother.
Thanks, man. So if you check that out, it'll give you information about how to get that free membership, and then you can follow the trade for the rest of the week, because you got a chance here. We're currently out, and so if you want to get back in, you can ride this with me. So
And by the way, as far as the project, things are looking really good. Been working on it all week, and things are looking really good.
What are you talking about? Your algo updates?
Yeah. Cool, for those of you who are members, you are in for a treat. I'm gonna show it to you.
Sorry, I keep putting that up and down.
As a matter of fact, I showed it in today's videos.
Oh, did you? Wow.
Today's pre-market PulseScan, when I was getting all those good comments. Oh, we love your new charts. Yeah, I spent a lot of time updating them. So the new outputs are in the chart segment. So when I show you my algo charts, you're looking at the new setup, and it is a beast. Sick. Okay, BTC daily hasn't broken out today yet. How long does 2BC stay in effect? Okay, the 2-bar Charlie is a daily setup. So once the day is gone, it's done.
Yeah, I gotta bring this up too. This is kind of our fault. We're confusing some of you, because we used to call it the pop method 2-bar Charlie, and so Dex still says 2-bar Charlie when you're talking about these daily setups, but they are definitely two different things. So someone was just asking for a video about that in the room. There's two different things. So the pop method is how we set our stop losses. The 2-bar Charlie setup is what happens in the morning to tell you the direction of a particular market. So I got to get that little webinar you did got lost in you did that little private video the other day.
Yeah.
Well, Jen and I go crazy because whenever we do those private videos, they get lost in this like Vimeo hell of trying to find like where Vimeo decided it's going to live now.
Right.
Dude, like we've spent like 20 minutes looking for one video at a time. So we think we figured it out. And,
is it better to just record it then and then upload it to you, and then you can figure out what to do with it?
No. Keep doing what you're doing. But we figured it out. We figured out a way to grab it. So I'm going to grab that, and I'll have that for you guys later on, or Jen will. Actually, I know what to do. I'm going to give it.
he got it covered. He got it covered. He's a man on a mission. Man, I'm just looking at the, let's see, 160, 144, 13. Oops, I'm looking at the TLT. Yeah, the TLT, I'm surprised. It's up 97 cents, man. It's up 97 cents. I was sure that it was going to crack today, but it didn't. It held its own. It really did. We definitely had a crash alert for that, but it's holding its own. It's trying to do something. It almost created a bullish 2-bar Charlie, but it came just shy of that. So now it's racing. So this is a good one. Let me just check something. I wonder, did you? Nah, it's too late now. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I'm talking to myself here. Yeah, so anyway, not a lot to see here, folks. I mean, the markets are doing what they're doing. Definitely use your stops in Bitcoin. Yeah, we've had a nice rally, but and today is a two-bar Charlie, a bullish two-bar Charlie setup from this morning, and it's doing exactly what it was told to do. And we don't know if it's going to have a sharp correction. I'm always wary when you're talking about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has these violent swings without warning. So when I pick up certain feedback in the market, I have no choice but to report it. I have to tell you, hey, this is what I'm seeing. I don't like what I'm seeing, but I got to tell you about what I'm seeing. So I like to put it out there just so everyone can be well abreast of what's going on. But so far, so good. Nothing to really talk about here on the FOMC. They left the rates alone. Everything's quiet. Crude oil's down 22 cents. Nat gas down 4. I mean, it's just not anything really happening. Now the grains are negative. Your corn and your soybeans are down. Both down $2. So that's about it, man. It's not, because there's just not a lot going on. GDXJ though is doing okay. GDXJ is up 31 cents now at $40.54. All right, so it is what it is. Amazon, Facebook, and Tesla and Chipotle are doing really good today. Chipotle is up $4.28. Tesla's up $13.06. Amazon's up $13.94, and Facebook is up $5.01. So they're going to end positive on the day as well. And we got less than 2 hours of trading left. So let's see how the markets do going into the close. The close is always the most important thing of the day. Regardless of what happened during the day session, that close is what is key. It all determines how we close. I don't care if the Dow is down 1,000 points. Where is it going to close? If it closes down 1,000 points, that says something powerful to you. If it closes up 1,000 points, that also says something powerful. So the closes are very important. Why are closes important? Because at the end of the day, it all boils down to price. Price is king. The numbers speak. They say something. There's a story behind each price. Each tick in every market tells a story. And we just have to be able to learn the language that the market is speaking in order to ascertain where our opportunities lie. All right, so that's pretty much it. This is not going to be a long, drawn-out thing because it ain't nothing happening.
I want to hang out with you on the internet all day.
Well, isn't that nice? But it's not going to happen. So Lord willing, I will be here on time this evening for the end of day report, so you can look at some charts, see how the market's closed, and we'll keep it a buck. That's about it now, though. I got my fill in Wells Fargo though. I'm holding overnight.
Very cool. All right, cool.
I'm gonna ride them. I'm gonna see what happens.
Keep an eye here. Go to pulsewavetrading.com. Get that free membership. Heck, get a real membership. We have a ridiculous offer going right now.
Yes, we do.
So, and yes, and I was supposed to take it down. Here's what I decided. I'll take it down as soon as I have the next offer up. And I will tell you this: we have some really cool stuff coming up. Really cool. You're gonna love it. It's amazing. That said, there's nothing. There's never going to be an offer like the one that's up there right now, though. That's what I wanted to say. Like saying, "Oh, you guys are coming out with new stuff." Of course, we're always coming out with new stuff, new offers, new things we want to do. But this is that, like next year, we probably won't even do it again. It was stupid. So you got a few more days to take advantage of the stupidity, and it's the smartest thing you could do. Because it's coming down. PulseWaveTrading.com. Great Dex, man. I know I speak for our friends at PulseWave Trading family here that we appreciate the incredible amount of hard work you've been putting in lately. It's been amazing and helpful, and people are loving it. So keep the good work, buddy.
Now, man.
Nah, man, you're the best, and people appreciate you, man.
I try.
I definitely do. All right, folks, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Dex, take us out with your trading wisdom.
Remember, everybody, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.
Peace.